See you later. What are you recording, Timmy? Timmy! What are you recording?
I said,
What are you recording?
video.
Of what?
1990 smoke detector.
Mom, come on! Mom, you have metal on you. Hurry up. Mom, hurry up. You have metal on you. You can get struck by lightning. Hurry up. Be safe. Hey, at least I got the front done. Right? Yeah. I'm sorry.
Okay, what's up, babe? Oh,
I'm sorry, Mommy.
what are you doing?
It's recording.
What are you recording?
That's what I asked.
Timmy, what are you recording? What are you recording?
A video of 1990 smoke detector.
I hope that one black is a good. I hope that calico cat's okay.
They will be.
You know why? He was walking around, like, inside with all his brothers and sisters when it was, like, in the clear shot of the rain. It was fucking wet. We're not gonna get, like, hurt or anything by the by this rain and storm, right?
Where's my Central Mower?
We left it there because we're coming back tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, we won't get, like, hurt or affected by this that much, right?
Okay, but